Now that you've created a life, let's start entering in your choices for basic needs. Clicking on the Basic Needs Budget button will allow you to enter these choices. Under Money Budget, you can see your current bank balance. You can also view how much disposable income that you have for your current month, and the disposable income that you will have after making your choices. Yellow drop-down boxes allow you to make your choices. After you make a choice, it will show the monthly cost and how many monthly points you will gain in each category. It will also update your disposable income for next month. Your disposable income will show in red if your expenses exceed your income. Now you can enter in your time budget. Not entering your time can limit your choices in other parts of the game. For example, you need to allocate enough education time to complete courses. After you enter in each box, it will update your pie chart and show you how much free time that you will have. You cannot exceed more than 24 hours in a day. If you have no free time, it will show in red. After you've made all of your choices, go to the top of the screen, and click on the Return to Life menu link, or click on the top graphic. Clicking on the clock will complete a month. Now you can return to Basic Needs to see the results of your choices, and make choices for the next month. If you're a community owner, you can click on the Settings button to add or edit any of the drop-down choices.
Enjoy the journey at QOL.Gold.